Here it goes, guys, and you hear a few of the carrots there kind of clapping. This is a 300-year-old oak, so this will take 4 generations of human life to regrow something like this, and now the grabber will pick it up and fling it somewhere. And you hear like some of the heckling of the characters going, oh no, yeah, the carrots here saying, oh no, my baby, oh no. They think it's funny, they really do. You know what I mean? Like a game. Like a game to them. I think it's funny. I have like some people behind me, some supporters today, watching from behind the barrier. I'm not going to come down from here until they open the road again, because I'm stopping them doing as much work as possible basically. All I can be is a minor irritant really in the bigger picture. I'm afraid that's all I can do.